Hello friends, welcome to Math Succeed Algebra 1. In this lesson, you are going to learn about absolute value. After watching this lesson, you should be able to determine absolute value of any real number. In this video, you will learn about meaning of absolute value symbol, important points about absolute values, examples of absolute values. The real numbers are represented using a real number line, sometimes called a number line. In the middle, you have 0 and negative numbers are on the left side and positive numbers on the right side. The absolute value of any number is the distance of that number from 0. If we take the number -5, then the distance between -5 and 0 is 5, which is absolute value of -5. Similarly, the distance between positive 5 and 0 is 5. So therefore, absolute value of positive 5 is 5. Note that the absolute value is always a positive number. The absolute value is denoted by two bars around any real number. The output is always a positive number. Sometimes absolute value is shown as a function ABS, where n is the input number for which you want an absolute value. Suppose absolute value of x is 4 and you are asked to find the value of x. Remember that x is both negative and positive. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and -4 because absolute value for both 4 and -4 is +4. Suppose a and b are two real numbers and we want to find the absolute value between these 2 points. It means we want the distance between these 2 points. The absolute value between 2 points A and B is absolute value of A minus B or B minus A. Direction of subtraction does not matter. For example, if A is 5 and B is -2, then A minus B is 5 minus -2, which is 5 plus 2 equals 7, and the absolute value of 7 is 7. If you perform B minus A, then -2 minus -5, which is -7, and absolute value of -7 is also 7. Therefore, direction of subtraction does not matter. Some important points to remember about absolute value are, first of all, the absolute value are always positive. For an absolute value, there are two inputs of same number. One is positive and one is negative. Absolute value between 2 points A and B is absolute value of A minus B or absolute value of B minus A. Now we do some example problems. Find the absolute value of negative of absolute value of 3 minus 1. Negative of absolute value of 3 minus 1 is same as -1 multiplied with absolute value of 3 minus 1, which is -1 multiplied by absolute value of +2 equals -2. That's the solution. If absolute value of A is 6, what is the value of A? We know that A has two values, negative and positive. So A equals 6 or A equals -6. Find the absolute value of -2 multiplied by 5. So in this situation, we can multiply -2 and 5 to get a single digit. So multiply -2 by 5 gives us -10. Absolute value of -10 is 10. Evaluate negative of absolute value of -8. The negative of absolute value of negative 8 is same as negative 1 multiplied with absolute value of negative 8, which is equal to negative 1 multiplied with 8, which is equal to negative 8. Absolute value of 5 divided by 3 is equal to absolute value of 5 divided by absolute value of 3. True or false? So this statement is true. It is one of the property called preservation of division property of absolute values. Let's recap everything. In this lesson, you learned about absolute values, absolute value symbol, and absolute value function. Absolute value as distance between any 2 points, some basic properties of absolute values, and some examples.